Welcome to 10787 Village Loop. Located at the ridge at Eagle Crest, this townhome is part of the Creekside townhomes. Awesome location, newer paint, newer roof, paver deck out back, paver patio entrance up front, central electric heat with heat pump. It also has propane for the fireplace. There's dedicated parking up front here. Beautiful home in pristine condition, and I'll show you through the inside and on the patio. Now moving to the front door of the unit. You can see everything's in beautiful shape. And there's a storage unit just to the side. I'll show you the inside of that too. And it's on the 3D tour. And then that awesome privacy out the front with a green space for the community with a walking trail right through the middle of it that accesses all of the amenities up here at the ridge in Creekside. Now inside the front door, moving into the great room area. This unit is probably the most upgraded and nicely appointed unit in the entire complex. The single level end unit has the most flexible floor plan and the best lighting. All the appliances in this unit are nearly new and in tip-top condition, under cabinet lighting. Again, those big windows that you get from the end unit. The granite counters are in near perfect condition. The newer dishwasher, corner cabinets there. The unit does not come furnished, at least with these included in the sale price. They can be negotiated outside of escrow. The propane fireplace with the tile surround nicely updated. The slider out to that paver patio. There's access also from the primary. Moving into the primary, of note, the new ceiling fan, very tasteful. The slider out to the patio. The primary fits a king bed with comfort with 2 end tables. Primary bath with tile floors, tile counters, nicely updated. Soaker tub, shower, the all-important enclosed toilet. Washer and dryer included. Nice organizers for that closet. The tile entrance, nice front doors, seating area, and then the coat closet by the front door. The tile continues around into the shared bath. Guest bedroom has a queen bed now, easily fits a king bed that view because of the private location. Updated fixtures. Good sized closet there with bypass doors. Shared bath with tub shower combination. Updated toilet. All very nice. The lighting throughout with the updated fixtures and lighting and bulbs is all exceptional. The carpet in brand new condition. Everything is like new or better, inside and out. Just a fantastic unit, turnkey, ready to go. Now on the back patio, just outside the slider from the great room area. It's built completely of pavers with steel railing, offering unmatched durability. Great storage here that locks right next to the slider into the primary. You have your hose bib that's frost-free, outlet, and there's also an outlet wired in for your hot tub, a 220 outlet. Just a beautiful view, lots of privacy from the patio, looking at your walkway in. Now a look inside the utility closet. Has the water heater, the furnace for the heat pump system. That is the air handler. Then your 200 amp panel. Lots of storage in here. Just awesome to have, lockable on a townhome unit like this. There's one front and back.